patience and courage with yours each day. Thank you for listening, and thank you for holding space for both myself and my family. Wala akong nilagyan na
good day to everyone here. Standing in front of you today is one of the hardest things I ever had to do. Not because I don't know what to say, but because there are so many things I wish I had said when my father was still here. My dad was a simple man, but he lived a life full of meaning. He didn't need grand words or big gestures to show his love. You could see it in the way he worked tirelessly for our family, in the sacrifices he made without asking for recognition, and in the quiet moments when he made sure we were okay before thinking of himself. As his son, I look up to him in ways I didn't always express. He was my first example of what it means to be a man, strong, patient, and responsible. But more than that, he showed me how to be kind, how to stand firm in difficult times, and how to keep going even when life gets heavy. There were times I failed to understand him. Times I thought I had more time to say, thank you, or I love you. That's something many of us take for granted. But if there's one thing this passing has taught me, is to never wait to show love to the people who matter most. I will miss his voice, his advice, his presence. I will miss knowing that he's just there, but I shall know that everything he taught me, everything he stood for, lives on in me. In all of us who are fortunate enough to know him, Dad, I hope I can make you proud. I will carry your lessons with me, and I'll do my best to live a life that reflects the kind of man you were. Thank you for everything, for your love, your sacrifices, and your guidance. I might not have said it enough, but I love you. Always have, always will.
our father was more than a parent. He was a guide, a protector, and a constant source of strength. He taught us lessons that we could carry the rest of our life. Not just through his words, but through the way we live each day. He showed me the value of hard work, the importance of integrity, and the quiet power of love. He wasn't perfect, none of us are, but he was real, siya. He loved deeply, sacrificed often, and did what he could. Even when it wasn't easy. Many of our best memories are in the simplest moment of conversations, laughter, shared meals, and even the silence that felt comfortable, just meeting with his presence. Routine gives you space that can give you, but when he may no longer be screaming at us, his influence remains. It is in the choices we make, in the value we pass down, and in the love we give so freely. If there is one thing our Father taught me, it is that a meaningful life is not measured by how we earn, but by how we love, how we give, and how we treat each other. And by the measure, his life was fully full. Today, we said before we said goodbye, we choose to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. For something what he said. For your heart, sweet love. Thank you for being a father who will carry you with us in our hearts, in our memories, the way we live our life moving forward. Blessed is that you granted in all our heart.
And today is a day like this. No doubt, but as someone whose life has been shaped, guided, and deeply loved by an incredible Father, God, you were my first hero before I knew what the strength is really meant. I saw it in you in the way you showed up every single day. Sacrifices you gave without ever asking for it. In the quiet ways you made our lives better. You taught me lessons I didn't even realize. I was learning at the time how to be kind, how to be brave, and how to keep going, even when things feel impossible. You had this way of making everything feel okay. Whether it was your eyes, your home, or just your presence, you gave me a sense of safety. And I know understanding me one of the greatest gifts I ever received. There are so many moments I carry with you, conversation, laughter, even simple ordinary days that now feels extraordinary because they were spent with you. Those memories are piece of you, and I will hold on to forever. Losing you has left a space in my heart that can never be filled, but it's also shown me just how deeply I was loved. Really, I feel how deeply you love me, and that love didn't disappear. It lives on in everything you taught me, in the person I become, and in the way I carry your legacy forever. I promise to make you proud. I promise to live with the same strength, integrity, and love that you show me every day. Thank you for being my father, my teacher, my friend. I will always be for you. Kasi, tuwan ko, I always feel na paborito ko, kasi puso ako, kaya lang maging puso. Every day, kung nag-teacher siya, papasok sa school, kami dalawang mga sa kanya, talaga. May benefit ako sa mga teacher ko kasi kahit hindi pa umilan. Pupunta na lang doon sa room namin. Ako sa akin yung teacher ko, inan yung classmate ko. Kasi ako uwi na. Parang ako lagi ang atlas sa tuwigan. Because of that, kasi sinusundo namin sa sila, ako pinakayagan ng teacher ko. Kaya lang, we have have fun together while walking, pinagdala ng sidecar noon. From house to school, na-enjoy ko yun. Dahil yung pagpapagod ko pag-uwi, gusto ko na nakita ako. And nauuna ako umuwi. Parang hindi ko yung mga classmate ko. So yun yung mga nare-remember ko sa amin. At saka kasi mahilig yan sa music, kaya pag gusto ko siya ma-exercise, mag-umatong ko doon. Diary ko doon, papulit ko doon. Then, asayaw kami, para lang mag-uumpiwan na, para pag pinakalibuan ko siya. Kahit sa kano, pinatutod ko yan, sumasaya na siya. Parang bumibili sa kilos na parang ano niya, kumakata siya kasi kumagaling siya doon sa ganung generation. Pag kumagaling, parang mas musical siya. Kaya most of the mga dito ko, kinaano sa kanya, kumapapit ko. Medyo siguro ako, physical siya. Yun ang mga paano memory data na hindi ko kayo yung dinudok siya. Dali, ang gusto niya dinudok ko, pag tinutokso ko siya may mother, bibig talaga siya. Kaya lagi ko siya dinudok ko kayong gagawin mo yung natin yung mga kaya. Kaya ganyan ang routine, ang tulang-tuma siya. Ganyan siya kahalang, ganyan siya kahalang si mother talaga. Si mother ang kanyang strength talaga. Hindi mother talaga.
He wasn't the kind of person who needed the spotlight. He showed who he was in a quieter ways. In the early mornings, in the long days, in the steady, dependable presence that never wavered. He was the kind of man you could count on, no matter what. And as a son, that gave me something solid to stand on. Growing up, I watched him closely, how he treated people, how he handled challenges, how he carried himself with strength and humility at the same time. He didn't just tell me how to be a good man. He showed me every single day. We didn't always say everything out loud. Sometimes our conversations were simple. Sometimes just a shared look, working side by side. But in those moments, there was understanding, there was respect, and there was love. There are so many things I wish I could say to him now. But be true to him. I want him to know this. I'm grateful. Grateful for every lesson, every sacrifice, every moment he gave without asking for anything in return. I carry him with me. In the choices I make, in the way I try to show up for others, and in the man I continue to become. His influence still and here. It lives on through me, to our family, and to everyone who had the privilege of knowing you. Dad, I hope I will make you proud and I'll spend the rest of my life trying to live up to the example you set. Samahan namin, Mama. Kasi
Tara, tawag ka.
Isa-isa ba? Tawag ka ron. Ron. Oh.